In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an email alias on Microsoft Outlook. Having an email alias can be really helpful, especially if you want to use a different name or address for certain communications without setting up an entirely new account. For example, you might want to keep your primary email private while using an alternate address for newsletters, online signups, or communicating with clients. Let's walk through the steps together so you can start using your new email alias with ease. First, you'll want to open your web browser and sign in to your Microsoft account by going to the official Outlook website. Make sure you're logged in with the account you want to add the alias to. Once you're on the main Outlook page, look towards the top right corner. Click your profile icon or your initials, and then select My Microsoft Account. This action will take you to the account management page. Now, in your Microsoft account dashboard, look for the section or tab called Your Info. Click on that, and then find the option called Manage How You Sign In to Microsoft. This is where you'll add your alias. You might be prompted to verify your identity at this stage, usually by entering a code sent to your registered phone number or alternate email. That's just to ensure your account's security. Once verified, you'll see a list of your current email addresses and aliases. Click on Add Email. Here, you can create a new Outlook.com alias or add an existing email address as an alias to your account. If you're creating a new alias, just enter the email name you want and select the domain, such as Outlook.com or Hotmail.com. If you want to use a separate existing email address, type it in and follow the prompts. After you add your alias, Microsoft may ask you to verify it, especially if you're attaching an email address that's not managed by Microsoft. Simply follow the verification steps sent to that email to finish the process. Once the alias is set up, you'll see it listed under your account's sign-in options. If you ever want to send an email from your new alias in Outlook, compose a new message as usual. Click the From field at the top of the email window. If you don't see the From field, look for an option to show it in the menu. Select your new alias from the list, and you're good to go. This setup will let you easily manage different email addresses within your single Outlook account, giving you extra security and flexibility. Remember, you can also remove an alias at any time by returning to the account management page and following similar steps. That's all it takes to set up and use an email alias in Microsoft Outlook. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.